Do you have leftover chicken from your most recent backyard cook? Well, get it shredded up and get it into a bowl because I'm gonna show you a really delicious recipe for some white chicken chili using that smoky chicken. It's incredibly delicious. So let's do it.
We're gonna kick off our white chicken chili by preheating a heavy bottomed pan over medium heat, add in a 1/4 cup of butter, a diced yellow onion, 3 poblano peppers that have been seeded and diced, and 3 jalapeno peppers that have been seeded and diced. I'm also going to add in some garlic and a 1/4 cup of flour to make a roux. To that, stir in a good 6 cups of chicken stock. This is going to create a nice, creamy, silky, thickened base for our white chicken chili. I'm also going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese, break that up, make sure the cream cheese is softened and incorporated, and 3 14-ounce cans of cannellini beans that have been drained. I'm going to set aside just a couple of those beans and put them into my blender jar. What I'm looking for here is a smooth bean paste. We're going to have the whole beans in the chili, but also having this like creamy base on the inside is going to break up in the soup. It's going to give us a nice, rich, luxurious, super creamy, like textural experience within the soup itself. I'm also going to add in some Fiesta rub. About 2 tablespoons here is going to give us enough in terms of seasoning and flavor with the chilies and the lime. In goes that smoky shredded chicken. You can use thighs or breasts or a mix of whatever leftover shredded chicken you have on hand. It'll add just the right smoky flavor to the soup. And then once it's done, finish it off with about a cup of heavy cream. If you don't want to use heavy cream, you could definitely use milk here, but that heavy cream gives it just a little something extra in terms of flavor.
Just like that, white chicken chili has come together. I have to be honest with you, it smells amazing and it is so cold outside. We have chunks of ice floating in pools of water in our backyard. So a bowl of warm, slightly spicy chili sounds absolutely phenomenal. Now, one of the best things about chili like this is the toppings. So I'm gonna sprinkle mine with a little bit more of that Fiesta rub. It's so fragrant, it's so flavorful, and it looks beautiful. I've also got some sour cream, some cilantro, some diced onions, some cheese, some lime, and some little tortilla strips for flavor and texture. We love doing this one with the kids because they each get to make their own little bowl of soup with all of the things that they want on it. We gotta go in for the taste test at the end. All those chilies and garlic, big pieces of shredded chicken, and the crispy, crunchy tortilla strips on top. This is my kind of soup, loaded. It's creamy and slightly spicy and rich and hearty. That is a bowl of soup that eats like a meal. I have a feeling you're gonna love this recipe. Make sure you give it a try. Grab a bottle of Fiesta rub from my store so you can try it at home, or I have the recipe on the HeyGrillHey.com website or on the Hey Grill Hey app. We'll see you next time.